Welcome to Maruyichi Auto, Ontario's #1 choice in high-end cars. With 2 locations in Richmond Hill and Concord, we've been serving Ontario since 2006. Here at Maruyichi Auto, we have a selection of highly exclusive vehicles of top quality in our inventory. We offer maintenance and performance, financing, exotic car transport, import, and rental services. We partner with Noble Performance to ensure your vehicle stays in the best condition possible. Rely on our experienced mechanics to provide the best in-house maintenance and performance services for your car, from vehicle repair to alignment and suspension. We understand you have different needs. Fortunately, our knowledgeable and committed sales team will offer the best short and long-term leasing and financing options and find the perfect vehicle for you. We work with all types of credits, from good to bad. No credit? No problem. Book an appointment now at Maruyichi Auto or call us at 905-770-005 for our Richmond Hill or at 647-622-6767 for our Concord location.